Alright, so we're back with beta glucose and we're going to create cellulose. And cellulose is a beta 1 4 bond. And this is going to be a little bit tricky, cellulose, because what we're going to do is take this entire beta glucose molecule and flip it upside down so that this hydroxyl group will be lined up with this hydroxyl group and will undergo dehydration synthesis, which, if you'll recall, is taking out a water molecule in order to make that bond. All right, so I'm going to draw beta glucose again down here, and so we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all of our bonds. So we go up, down, and then we're going to go up. And then I'm drawing in all my hydrogens. And remember, at this points here are our carbons. So I just haven't written that out. All right, so we're going to bond a carbon 1 with a carbon 4. So the next thing that I'm going to do is actually draw my beta glucose molecule upside down. And I generally, again, try to ground myself with that oxygen. So it's up here, so now it's going to be down there. So we'll draw in that oxygen, and then everything else, right, those are all my carbons, and each carbon has to have its 4 bonds. And here we started up in space with that one, so it's got to go down in space now. So down, up, down, up, down. Then, oh, you know what? This is my other carbon up there. There we go. Can't forget that. And then I'm going to draw in all my hydrogens. Alright, so by turning my molecule upside down, these 2 hydroxyl groups are now in the same plane, and the enzyme can work on them through dehydration synthesis. Alright, so I'm going to erase those and draw those back in, and we'll see that we're left behind an oxygen. Okay, and we've undergone dehydration synthesis. Now the next molecule of beta glucose will turn right side up again because we need to get this hydroxyl group aligned with the other one. All right, so let's draw the next one right side up once more. Okay, so we go up, down, up, down, that carbon, and then all my hydrogens again. And look, there's my 2 hydroxyls. They're in the same plane again. They're going to go dehydration synthesis. Okay, and so we'll make that bond. Leaving behind an oxygen. All right, so that's our molecule of cellulose, and that just keeps going on and on pretty much forever.